Hello, today we have Mr. Joseph Hoover, who is the CEO of Belgavi Panther. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, today you are conducting trials here for the KPL auctions. Could you please brief us on that?
The whole idea of this selection trial is to give other youngsters also an opportunity, because this KPL, if you notice, the KSA only takes boys from the first, second and third division. So we are opening it to the fourth and fifth division because there are also talented players there. So if we notice any talented youngster there, we bring them into the pool. We write to KSA and ask them to accommodate these names. So it's an open opportunity for everybody.
Sir, how many people were a part of this trials today?
To be honest, we had about 137 this morning, because this has been restricted only to the fourth and fifth divisions. And there are some of the boys have come from even Mysore, Gulbarga and all those areas. Because if you look at the numbers that we had last year, we had 540. But this year what we are doing is, apart from Bangalore trials, we are doing a trial in our catchment area, that is Belgaum. We are doing it on the 29th and 30th. So that gives opportunities with boys from there as well. So we will be taking 2 from there, 2 or 3 from the auction there.
So, sir, totally from this today's trial, how many of you think will go in for the auctions? Hopefuls?
From what we have seen there, I mean, there's good talent out there in the lower divisions as well. We see at least 3 boys whom we are going to recommend to be included in the auction.
And sir, finally coming up, your team has always been very economical in bowling and performing in batting, and been a team that has performed always in every season. So how do you see that from there to go on and get the trophy during this year? So your plans for coming days ahead?
Absolutely, we are all thought about this. The players especially are kicked up, saying that twice we've been runner-up in 3 years. We just missed it by Whisker last year. So this year we are focused. We said, at least how do we get to reach the cup? That's going to be better performance. It's going to be a team. The players are a unit, and they're all pumped up. I mean, of course, at this point of time, we just have 2 players whom we retained, but we'll be trying to get the core of the players whom we had last season as well. So whichever players come into us, we play as a family, we enjoy ourselves. So the USP in our team is, it's a family. We play and we enjoy, and we want others to enjoy.
Finally, your words for fans from Belgaum who watch the league.
Absolutely, they are the ones who've been driving us. Because if you notice, first year when we went to Belgaum, we had a road show. We had tons of people following us. There was a lot of thing, and we finished runner-up. We had another function there. We should have seen the crowd. There are almost about 5,000, 6,000 people. And the number of people who came to Hubli last year, just from Belgaum to watch us in the final, that was phenomenal. So we always look forward to the support, and we always tell them that we are for Belgaum. We're going to come to Belgaum. We're going to be part of the Belgavi Premier League as well. So we look forward to their support there.
Nice talking to you, sir, and wish you all the very best for the coming season ahead.
Thank you.